Mbappe scored a lucky goal, Vinicius fired a stunning worldie, and Real Madrid scraped a hard-fought win. It was their first victory in April. In the 30th minute, Mbappe's hurried shot took a deflection off a defender and went in. Even he smiled in embarrassment at the luck. In the 50th minute, Vinicius smashed a brilliant long-range strike from outside the box to extend the lead. Right now, Real Madrid barely show any smooth team chemistry. They're only scoring thanks to individual brilliance. It seems a team rebuild is really on the horizon.